Today we're going to draw a super cute cat eating ice cream under a sunny sky. So get your colors ready and let's begin.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
First, I draw a rectangle for the background.
Wow!
Then I draw the cat's body shape. Next, I add the eyes, nose, tongue, and ears. After that, I draw the cat's tail.
Yes!
Then, I add the hands and legs. Now, I draw a watering can. And an ice cream in the cat's paws. Next, I draw the ground, add some grass and small trees. Finally, I draw the sun and clouds in the sky. Time to color. First, I use black for the cat's nose. Okay. Then I use pink for the tongue and the inside of the ears.
Yahoo!
Next, I use gray to color the cat's whole body. Okay. Every cat's nose print is unique, just like a human fingerprint, a mark of mystery.
Wow!
I use the same gray color for the clouds. Then, I use brown for the stripes on the tail and the ice cream cone.
Oh, yeah.
I use yellow for the ice cream and the bright sun.
Yes!
The same yellow color goes for the ground.
Wow!
Cats can jump up to 6 times their body length in one leap.
Wow!
Then, I use cyan to color the watering can.
Yeah!
Finally, I use green for the small trees. And our drawing is complete. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun and colorful drawings. See you next time. Bye.